Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JBL 2770. And all controls located at the right ear cup. Let's get started with the power button. So if you press and hold power button, you will turn off or turn on your headphones. If your headphones turn off and you press and hold longer until the LED lights start blinking blue, you will enter to pairing mode. Next we have ambient sound control button. It looks like this. Now let me open the application. And if you press one time, you will swap between ANC and transparency modes. So press it one time, and as you can see I swap only between these two modes. If you want to enable talk through, you need to press 2 times this button. 1, 2. If you press again 2 times, you will return to ANC. Okay, next we have volume control buttons. And we have the plus button to increase the volume. It's a volume up button. Minus button is volume down button, and play pause button. Okay, now if you press one time at the play pause button, you will play or pause the song. I press one time, I just pause it. Press again, you will play the song. If you press one time at the volume up button, you will play. You will increase the volume. So press again. And as you can see, I increase it. If you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. Here we go. If you press one time at the volume down button, you will play previous track. So again, press one time, and as you can see at this widget, I lower the volume. If you press and hold volume down button, you'll play previous track, but I cannot do this. So as you can see, I just press and hold. So it start, and I press and hold again, and nothing happened. Just start to play the music. So we can use play pause button. If you press 2 times, you'll play next track. 1, 2. If you press 3 times, you'll play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Also, with this button, you can answer the call by press 1 time and finish the call by press 1 time. But if you press 3 times, when you not during the call, you will sorry, not press 3 times, but just press and hold. You will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so yeah, I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe Gemini, or maybe Bixby, or something else. So press and hold. And as you can see, I just call my voice assistant. If you press and hold during the call, you will mute or unmute the microphone. Right now we have these waves because my microphone unmute. And I press and hold. And now, as you can see, I speak. There is no waves. I mute the microphone to unmute it, also press and hold 1 time. Only press and hold. Okay, we have these waves. And the last one, that with the controls we can perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold simultaneously volume up button and volume down button until your headphones turn off. And then you need to reconnect them with the phone. If you still don't know how to perform factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.